Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Train Talks. So today we're going to talk about not a train actually, but a maintenance vehicle. It's a maintenance pickup truck here. It is DCC actually. Right now I have it moving at speed step 4. It's got a pretty good slow speed here. I think even if I go to 1, you might be able to see it moving. Let's try it. Oops. Yeah, there you go. That's speed step 1. I think that's pretty good. The only thing you can control on this is the lights. They're on and off. And the speed, of course, direction, reverse or forward. There are no sounds. I put a little lead weight at the back. I just thought that would make it look like it's carrying something. And it is, I guess, if you have a lead weight that size on a pickup truck. So let's just run it a bit. This is at quarter speed. Oh, I'm going to do the reverse too. I'm going to back up. So there's no real, the backup lights just stay on, as you can see. There's no, reverse light sequence, because this is just a pickup truck, right? It's not a train. So anyway, so this is at quarter speed, so it's not bad at quarter speed. And it's going to go over the double crossover here. Let's see how it goes. One day I'm going to have to clean my tracks, but this is at quarter speed. I'm going to go up to half speed now. Okay. I think it's a really cute little accessory to have for your track. It really you know what? It really runs well. It goes over the double crossovers really well. I have another one over there. I'm not gonna make it go through that one. I like the hook that it has also. So I'm going to put it on full speed when it comes around the corner here. Just to try the... Okay, here we go. That's full speed now. And reverse also. Let's just try reverse full speed for a while. Yeah, that's reverse full speed. Now we'll go forward. And forward full speed. Here. Okay, so let's slow it down. So there you have it. I thought I'd do something different. Other than steam engines or diesel engines. Even at slow speed, it takes the double crossover really well. And I'm going to slow it down over just a little bit more over here. It's a great little car. It really runs well. I'm really happy with it. And yes, it is actually four-wheel drive. Okay, well, there you have it. There's no shutdown sequence, and that's it. I wish it had a little, like a cab light or something, or even the little light on top. But anyway, the headlights are fine. Turning them off. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to probably do something different in my next video as well, okay? So please subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get notifications for my next video. I think it will be actually quite exciting. It's going to be a lot more exciting than this one. So stay tuned, okay? Talk to you later. Bye for now.